Hello everyone, welcome to the DynamicX installation video. First, take all the parts out of box and do a quick count. 1 DynamicX main unit, 16 small M5 screws, 16 medium M6 screws, 6 large M8 screws, plus matching nuts and washers, 4 flat mounting brackets, 4 L brackets, 1 data cable, and 1 power cable. Now let's go step by step. Step 1. Install the flat mounting brackets. Place the 4 flat brackets onto the mounting holes on the bottom of the unit's housing, using 4 M5 screws for each bracket. That's 16 screws total, and tighten them down firmly. Step 2. Pre-install T-slot nuts in the cockpit side rails. Slide 4 M8 nuts into each side rail. That's 8 nuts on both sides combined. Make sure you slide them into the tracks and line them up with where the L brackets will go later. Step 3. Attach the L brackets. Take the 4 L brackets and align the short side of each one with the flat brackets you just installed. Secure each L bracket with 4 M6 screws. Step 4. Fix the long side of the L brackets to the cockpit sides. Align the holes on the long side with the pre-installed M8 nuts from Step 2. Use 2 M8 screws per bracket to screw them in. Now, your unit is securely hung on the cockpit. If your cockpit is extra wide and the L brackets don't quite reach, don't worry. You can mount 2 extra profiles inside the cockpit, and then attach the unit directly to those profiles. We'll show that at the very end of this video. Step 5. Install the seat. Place the seat onto the support frame on top of the unit. If the width doesn't match the unit, we recommend using 2 extra profiles as adapters. Put these 2 profiles on the frame first, but don't lock them tight, so you can adjust their position. Then pre-install M8 nuts in the top track of each profile, 2 nuts per corner, 8 nuts total. Now align the holes on the seat's bottom frame with these pre-installed nuts. Adjust the seat position, then use 8 M8 screws with washers to lock the seat down firmly. Finally, don't forget to double-check and tighten all connections between the profiles and the unit. Make sure every screw is snug. And that's it. Your DynamicX hardware is all set. Now go ahead and follow the profile configuration guide to get started with the software setup. Enjoy!